Cook here at the Tintstitute. I'm going to show you how to take off the door panel on the 2019 Audi E-tron. And the reason why we're taking it off for window tinting purposes is just because this door panel comes up so high and out that having the door panel off is just going to be much, much easier. So first thing you're going to need is the 25 Torx. There's one screw underneath the armrest with no cover. Back that Torx out. There's going to be 3 screws total, so it's actually not that difficult once you know how, but obviously if you don't know how, it can take some time just figuring out where the screws are. So this one's the easiest with no cover on it. Just get that one Torx out. I like to put a microfiber down. Then with one of these tools that's nice and smooth and flat, you'll come underneath this door handle, put it in this crack, and you'll be able to understand what I'm doing more once I get it out. And then I get it in the crack right here underneath the door handle, and then I slowly slide it towards the front. Again, it's all about being slow, working underneath the door handle. Keep sliding it, and then it'll pop out just like that, and it's this little piece. Okay, so I put in the tool right here, and then I slowly slide it to the front, and it pops out. And then behind that plastic piece is another Torx, and again, that's a 25 Torx. And if the door panel's never been taken off before, obviously all the plastic is going to be really tight on these Audis. So it's just about moving slow, but it's also about committing. So when you put that plastic tool in there, you want to give firm pressure so that it actually stays in. As you saw, it came out one time for me. The less times you have to take it in and out, the less chance there is for damage. So that's the most difficult screw right there. And then the third screw, one more thread on there. There we go. And then the third screw is behind this speaker. And we'll just, again, slide the tool under there. And this comes out really easy. Boom. Another 25 Torx. I've got 2 cameras because I'm filming for Instagram and YouTube at the same time. And these T-handle Torx wrenches I got from Harbor Freight. I love them because they've got the torque there on the end for some applications, and the long T-handle works great for getting behind situations like I'm working right now. Okay, so now once you got the door panel, or excuse me, the screws out, take a plastic tool like this and come to this corner and just pry. And once you hear one pop, I might need to get a firmer plastic tool. Hang on just a second. I got a little bit stiffer plastic tool. There we go. Okay, one pop in the corner. Then you can get your fingertips underneath there, and you get a good grip, and then it's about being abrupt, so real quick. And notice how that's loose. What we'll do now is roll the window all the way down. Notice how I'm sliding my fingers up here. That gets another clip. door panels off. Okay. And then for tinting purposes, we'll take this out. Depending on why you're taking off the door panel, you might not need to take this out. But for us window tinters, it just makes it a lot easier once we've gotten this far to just take that out. So hopefully this helps somebody out there. Stay tuned. We'll see you on the next video.